The country knows that there is a clear difference between the parties. Just this past week, the headlines included a land scandal involving former UDP Minister Boots Martinez and the former UDP proprietors of the Bolido, who were not only milking Belizeans for millions of dollars without giving back 1 cent to sports, not 1 cent to health, not 1 cent to education, not 1 cent to social projects, nothing. But those proprietors and whoever was involved were not only cashing in their wealth, it is being reported by the tax department that they were also dodging millions in taxes. Mr. Speaker, just like how this government took back Bolido for the Belizean people, it is my hope that we can take back Belizean Beach. And I wonder if any person from the opposition side will join in this chorus to take back Belizean Beach.